Whether you're straining vegetables, berries, or pasta, 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝 has the perfect size strainer for the job. Available in 3-inch, 6-inch, or 8-inch sizes, all of our 𝐏𝐫𝐶 strainers feature an extra fine mesh body for thorough straining. The stainless steel double rod construction makes these strainers extra sturdy, and a small loop lets you rest them on a pot or a bowl while you're straining. The soft, comfortable handles won't slip, even when wet. Use the 3-inch mini strainer to separate the seeds from freshly squeezed lemon and lime juice, or to strain tea leaves or mulling spices from brewed beverages. The 6-inch strainer is great for vegetables and berries, while the 8-inch strainer is perfect for pasta.